Hi guys, today I received this rechargeable spotlight for reviewing purposes, and take it out of the box. You can see it has a minimalistic white design that I like. It's nice. It This part is flexible. You can turn it, you can see, and set it up how you want it. It's an LED light, and you can turn not on this button. As you can see, it turns on. Right now, well, it's sunny. I'm in a room with much light, but as you can see, it has a powerful light that even can see the difference while the light are on. You can change the colors if you want it warmer or colder. I like the light a bit warmer, so I'm gonna set it up like that. It comes with this tab that you can set right here, and this cap is meant to be so if you don't want to make holes on your wall, you can just take this double-sided tape and stick it on the wall. Ideally, it should be something like this, so you can reach it, and if you need to move it, if it's for looking at yourself, you can set it up here, and it has this motion sensor that when the lights are off, it can turn on. Okay, here are the holes that if you wanna install them up on the wall by making holes, you just set it at here and get it here. And obviously it comes with its own manual, a USB-A and USB-C cable for charging it. Here is the USB-C port. Just plug it in. It comes with its own screws, so you can set it up, as I said, up on the wall. You just get the screw in this space right here, like kind of like this, right? So yeah, it's a nice spotlight, and this spotlight has no harmful UV irradiation from light. So yeah, it's a very nice one. This model that I received is a Pro White version with the multicolor temperature, which is nice.